Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to play Dying in Your Arms on guitar step by step. Start by tuning to standard E and set up a comfortable sitting position. Learn the main chord, shape slowly and focus on smooth transitions. Use a metronome at a slow tempo and gradually increase speed. Practice the intro riff in short repeats, then add the rhythmic strumming pattern once changes are clean and consistent. Begin with the core chord progression and isolate each change to master finger placement. Work on bar chord pressure to avoid buzzing and relax your thumb behind the neck. Practice chord changes in sets of 4 measures and loop difficult sections. Use slow-down tools or a metronome to keep steady timing. Once comfortable, add embellishments like hammer-ons and pull-offs to match the recorded feel and emotion. Learn the signature riff by isolating notes and using alternate picking for clarity and speed. Practice the main strumming pattern with muted chord hits to feel rhythmic accents. Add dynamics by varying pick attack and palm muting where the arrangement needs tension. Record short practice, passes to hear phrasing and make adjustments. Gradually combine riff and chords, focusing on clean transitions and maintaining consistent tempo.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.